love with you, with you. Without you, I'm still in love with you, without you.